Guys, welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach how to create a website, how to create a game, how to create an application, not only to create but to show you how to monetize, how to make money out of it. So if you're new, consider subscribing for more videos updates. In today's video, this is the website which I want to take you through how this website looks like, how beautiful it is. This is an art. You can see a beautiful simple website for thumbnails downloads. So you can see here, this is the footer section where you can see uh, it says grab thumbnail quickly and legally at 2025, developed by Andrew David. That is my name. So here you can see about us, and you can see the contact us page, and you can see the privacy policy. Here you open and you see this is about us page. You can see, you click on contact us. You're also going to see the form for the contacts. You put the name, the email ID, your email ID, and type your message, and you send the message, and it goes to my email automatically. So here you can see the privacy policy as well. You click and you see this is it, and here on page, and you can see, so you copy your video URL and you put it here, and you click get the thumbnail, and it's going to load up, and you go to download. So this particular website I actually created is very simply by using uh, ChatGPT. So simple to create this website. Sometimes what is needed in creating a website with AI, you need to specify all the prompts very well. Here you can see this is what I discussed with the AI, that I want to create a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail downloader, and this is what I explained. You should have the about us page and contact us page, and also privacy policy page, and let her design it and also implement all the necessary things needed. And you can see I say the name of the website, I give it here, and here I also give the URL. So in this website you may need a hosting server. After the AI gives me, you can see this is the structure of the file that we'll be needing in our cPanel for hosting. So every of these files must have its own code. Okay, so here if we open here, you can see this is the structure of all the files. Here you can see this is a about us page, about.html page. Okay, here you can see all the files. Here you can see the style.css. Here you can see the scripts. This is the main where the conversion of the YouTube downloader works. This code is for, here you can see, and here is the index.html. That is the what makes this website look like this. The structure comes from the index.html. So you can see the header, you can see the logo, you can see the sections by sections. So all these are designed by the index.html. Okay, so here you can see this is an art. So there's also several sections that I can also add art codes. So you can see here, this is the structure as I said. So you need all these files. So that is why you see I use my Visual Studio. This code every code are analyzed and also written carefully. So with this code, the next thing, after I have gotten the code here, you can see I have to create each of the files and also uh, put all the needed code for each of the sections, the files names. So here if we go down, you're going to see another one. Here you can see for the about us page, you can see the contact us page as well. So this is what makes this website. You can see this is the main script. So after I have all this code, the next thing is to get your hosting server. Okay, so if you don't have any idea for the hosting server, make sure you check the link below this video. You're going to see uh, my hosting servers, and I is my affiliate link. If you purchase anything from there, you're going to get a discount than you going to the website and create an account and buy something. You will not get any discount, but if you buy through my link, you get discount, and it's an affiliate link, and the company also will pay me a commission. So that's how it is. So here you can see this is my hosting server. So here you can see these are all the same code from here. So I have to bring it here. I have to host it into my public HTML. You can see, so this is where I hosted the code, and that is why you can see the website is here live because it's on the server. So you can see this is the website lively because the hosting server, the code has been hosted. So this is also simple to create this website. So if you have any question, please ask. I'm always here to guide you, put you through. And here you can see in the code, this is where you can see you can add your ads code under this index.html. This is where you're going to add your AdSense code. Okay, let it load and we're going to check. Okay, so it's loading. So here you can see this. So here you can see this is where you're going to put your AdSense code. As you can see, it's designed in this way. So simple. You can add your AdSense code, or maybe you use you can see, or you can use Adsera as well. So simple to use this code. So there's nothing too difficult about this design. So you can see, I think about 3 sections where you can add your add code. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to drop it down. I'll be always here to guide you, help you out into this journey. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.